Welcome to Manufacturing Day, a day each year when we celebrate the manufacturers who make the products we use every day that keep us safe, strengthen our nation, and provide so many jobs and other benefits to our communities. For those of us who work in manufacturing and know just how important and exciting it is, it's a chance to spread the word about what is modern manufacturing and to describe some of the great things going on in America. I'm Scott Miller, the Director of Technology at NextFlex, America's Flexible Hybrid Electronics Manufacturing Innovation Institute. NextFlex is part of Manufacturing USA, a national network of organizations working in partnership with the federal government, industry partners, states, and educational institutions to advance technology, grow and strengthen U.S. manufacturing, and create the workforce that we need, with each institute working in specific manufacturing sectors. NextFlex works in flexible hybrid electronics, which we usually refer to as FHE, and I'm sure many of you are wondering what that is. One element of FHE is the use of additive or printed electronics, literally printing processes like inkjet printing that you might use to print documents, or screen printing like is used to print onto t-shirts. But we print electronics. We combine that with the second element, which is using semiconductor chips and other discrete components that are placed onto or into the devices as we build them. FHE allows us to build electronics that have completely new form and function. We build some electronics that can bend and twist or stretch. In other cases, we build electronics conformally, directly onto parts, like curved body panels, so we can put the electronics exactly where they ought to be for a particular application. FHE is a field that's been in development for a long time and is just beginning to reach the marketplace now. Along with our partners and companies across the country, we're developing the technology and the manufacturing methods that are needed to build these new kind of electronics for all kinds of applications. For example, you can imagine medical monitors that are worn like a Band-Aid to assist pregnant mothers, babies, or the elderly. Fitness trackers that seamlessly integrate into clothing or that can measure sweat to help maximize athletic performance. Automotive touch controls with sensors that are actually built into the parts that you touch. Radar systems that are wrapped onto the outside of a small drone, or sensors built into the wind turbine blade to optimize its power output, or onto a bridge to measure structural integrity. These aren't futuristic, far-off ideas. They're all actual areas that NextFlex member companies are developing right now. I love being part of advanced manufacturing, and specifically flexible hybrid electronics, because we get to solve real-world problems and build things that people use every day, and some that we will use every day in the future. Jobs in advanced manufacturing let us exercise our creativity to imagine what we can do because we have these new capabilities. There's so many kinds of jobs in these fields that whether you prefer to work with your hands or with your head, or both, whether you like to design new things, draw, build, research, or do something else, there are career opportunities for you. And jobs in manufacturing contribute strongly to our local economies, which helps everyone. And it's also nice that they pay well too. You can learn more about the world of flexible hybrid electronics, the American companies that are pioneering the field, and connect with NextFlex, where we are leading the charge in bringing people together by visiting our website, nextflex.us. And to learn more about other fields of advanced manufacturing and how the US government and industry are advancing them together, check out manufacturingusa.com.